Godrej, with their excellence and innovation of 127 years, successfully serving their Godrej family for a while now. A-grade certified project coming to your home in Bhandup. Presenting to you Godrej Nurture, situated on the LBS mark in Bhandup. In 1940, when the foundation members of Godrej family imagined to set up a whole industrial township with thousands of trees, today they have achieved that into reality in Vikhroli. And this is how you know that Godrej never misses to deliver their quality and standard in their projects. And this project is also situated in a prime location on the belt of LBS Road, and GMLR being just 5 minutes from here that connects you to Goregaon in no time. Eastern Expressway can also be connected in just 5 to 10 minutes, and railway stations like Mulund, Nahur and Bhandup are also at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. Apart from this, hospitals and schools like Fortis and Apex and St. Xavier's and Powai School are also at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. This project is also well connected to Powai and Vikhroli, which have corporate hubs like Hiranandani and Raheja Platinum at a near distance. So this is all about the project being in the middle of Bhandup and well connected to all the nearby locations. Now I shall give you more information about the project. So now in this project, what all you're getting, I'll be telling you. So this is a whole land parcel of around 6.5 acres in which you get commercial and residential. The residential properties covering around 5 acres of land. It is a low density project with this. These are 3 towers in total, out of which 2 and 3 are already launched. G plus 40-story building where 1 to 7 levels you get for podium surface level parking, and on the 8th floor you get your podium level amenities. They also have ground level amenities. They have very mindfully divided the 2 levels of amenities and named them Green Groove and Giggle Groove for kids and adults separate. So in Green Groove you get kids play area, you get sand pit and climbing rock, you get amphitheater and a whole jogging track covering the whole residential. In podium level amenities, you are getting swimming pool, you get 3 levels of clubhouse, senior citizens area, party lawn, barbecue area, etc. So these are the amenities that you're getting, and this is our project in Godrej. Apart from that, we have 2 and 3 BHKs available. So now I shall be showing you the sample flat. Now we're getting into our 2 BHK sample flat starting from the foyer area. And as you can see, we have these fireproof doors with the biometric digital locker. Moving in, here is our kitchen. As you can see, I will show it to you. So this is our kitchen. You're getting granite and double platform and compartment space given to you. Very spacious. And here is our open utility area, as you can see. Here you get your refrigerator space also given to you. The floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 9.5 feet. And if I haven't mentioned the carpet area, it is 546 square feet. So आपको पूरा carpet area मिल जाता है. This is a very spacious and luxury living room. Here is our living area. And आपको multiple carpet areas मिलेंगे. तो half of the carpet areas you get with the balcony and half without it. It is also flexible according to your requirements. Here is our dining area. You can occupy 4 to 6 seater dining table very conveniently. Now moving on to the common bedroom now. Firstly, I'll show you the common bedroom. Again, comes with full-length foyer ventilation and unobstructed views. You can enjoy the balcony ka space from your full-length windows here, with protection also given to you, the steel grill. And as you can see, very spacious common bedroom or kids bedroom, well utilized and beautifully decorated, can take inspiration. Now we are getting into the common washroom now. Anti-skid tilings and आपको vitrified tilings on the top मिल जाती है with premium fittings given to you. From the foyer area, this passage is given to you for privacy so that it is not compromised at all, and you are entering into the master bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious, luxury and premium looking, and again it comes with the attached washroom with premium fittings. The washroom is also very spacious and sized 7.6 into 4.6, and also vitrified tiling and premium fittings given to you. So this was my 2 BHK sample flat, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 1.39 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK is starting from 2.50 CR plus taxes. Their payment plans are also very flexible, so you can do it according to your requirements and your flexibility. So this was my 2 BHK from Godrej. And for booking purpose and site visit, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.